Imagine earning $10,000 a month, no boss, no commute, just by using AI tools. This isn't a fantasy. People are already doing it, and today, I'll show you exactly how. We're in a time where a few clicks can launch a business, and those who act now are changing their lives. I've researched and talked to real people making 5 figures monthly with AI, and I'm sharing their playbook. I'll break down 5 powerful ways to generate income with AI: YouTube, freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing, and automation agencies. If you want to change your financial future, watch this video to the end. Let's dive in. First up, AI content creation for YouTube. With tools like ChatGPT and InVideo AI, you can generate scripts, voiceovers, and videos in minutes. No camera, no editing skills needed. Upload daily, and once your channel is monetized, ad revenue and affiliate links start working for you 24/7. People are running multiple channels on autopilot, each one a digital asset earning passive income. Every video is like an employee, generating money long after it's uploaded. You don't need fancy gear or to be on camera, just creativity and AI tools. Start a channel on any topic, scale up, and watch the income stack. This is one of the fastest, most accessible ways to hit $10,000 a month. The barrier to entry is almost zero. Build your own automated media company today. That's the power of AI on YouTube. Need money fast? You're not alone. Millions of people are searching for ways to boost their income, pay off debt, or simply get ahead. But what if you could skip the years of struggle and start earning top dollar right now, from your own home? Freelancing with AI is your shortcut. It's the fastest way to turn your skills into cash, even if you're just starting out. With the right AI tools, you can work smarter, not harder, and get paid more for it. On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, freelancers are using AI tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and Midjourney to deliver everything from ad copy to logos and digital designs in a fraction of the time it used to take. These platforms are packed with clients looking for fast, high-quality results, and AI gives you the edge to deliver exactly that. What used to take hours now takes seconds. Imagine writing compelling ads, designing unique logos, or editing videos, all with the help of AI. You can create polished, professional work in minutes, freeing up your time to take on more projects and earn more money. This speed and efficiency mean you can charge premium rates for lightning-fast delivery and consistently high-quality work. Clients love getting results quickly, and they're willing to pay extra for it. The possibilities are endless. Offer services like voiceovers, social media content, blog posts, or even coding. AI does the heavy lifting so you can focus on creativity and client communication. You don't need to be an expert in everything. AI fills in the gaps and helps you deliver professional results every time. You can even expand your offerings. Think video editing, email marketing, or website design. With AI, you can learn new skills quickly and offer more services to your clients, making yourself indispensable. You're not just a freelancer, you're a one-person agency powered by AI. With the right setup, you can juggle multiple projects at once, automate repetitive tasks, and deliver a level of service that used to require a whole team. This means you can scale up your business by taking on more clients than ever before. AI helps you stay organized, meet deadlines, and keep your clients happy, so your reputation and income grow fast. To get started, create a standout profile that highlights your AI-powered workflow. Offer fast turnaround times, and showcase your ability to deliver more in less time. Let AI multiply your output and set you apart from the competition. People are building 6-figure freelance businesses in months, not years. With AI, you can leapfrog the competition and reach your financial goals faster than you ever thought possible. The opportunity is massive. AI is changing the game for freelancers everywhere. Whether you want to earn a little extra or build a full-time business, now is the time to jump in and leverage AI to dominate freelancing. This is how you earn $100 an hour and beyond. By combining your skills with the power of AI, you can unlock a whole new level of freedom, flexibility, and financial success. Imagine waking up to find your phone buzzing, not with work emails, but with notifications that you've made money while you slept. That's the magic of selling digital products, and with AI, it's more accessible than ever. If you're looking for a way to build true, passive income, selling AI-generated digital products is one of the smartest moves you can make right now. With the help of AI, you can create a wide range of digital products. Think digital art, printable planners, coloring books, ebooks, social media templates, and even educational resources. These products are in high demand on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market, where millions of buyers are searching for unique, downloadable content every day. You don't need to be a professional designer or writer. AI tools can handle the heavy lifting, letting you focus on creativity and marketing. Tools like Midjourney can generate stunning visuals and artwork in minutes, while ChatGPT can help you write engaging ebooks, guides, or even craft compelling product descriptions. In less than an hour, you can go from idea to finished product, ready to sell. The process is fast, efficient, and surprisingly fun, perfect for anyone who wants to experiment with new ideas or build a side hustle without a huge time commitment. Once your product is ready, simply list it as a digital download. There's no need to worry about shipping, packaging, or inventory management. Every sale is pure profit, and your products can be delivered instantly to customers around the world. This means you can scale your business without the headaches of traditional e-commerce. The beauty of digital products is that one file can be sold thousands of times. Imagine earning money every time someone downloads your planner or coloring book, even while you're on vacation or spending time with family. Your digital storefront works for you 24/7, creating a steady stream of income with minimal ongoing effort. To maximize your success, start by finding a profitable niche. Research what's trending, what people are searching for, and where there might be gaps in the market. AI can help you brainstorm ideas, analyze competitors, and even suggest keywords to boost your visibility. The more unique and in-demand your product, the better your chances of making consistent sales. Don't be afraid to test new ideas quickly. If one product doesn't take off, you can create another in minutes. The low risk and fast turnaround make this business model perfect for experimentation and learning. Over time, you'll discover what works best for your audience and refine your offerings for maximum profit. Some digital product creators are earning anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 a month, simply by selling files they made with the help of AI. These aren't massive corporations. Many are solo entrepreneurs or small teams working from home, proving that anyone can succeed in this space with the right approach. The best part? The startup costs are almost zero. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and access to AI tools, many of which are free or very affordable. There's no need to invest in inventory or expensive equipment, so the financial risk is minimal, but the potential rewards are huge. As you build your portfolio of digital assets, your passive income grows. Each new product adds another stream of revenue, and over time, you can create a thriving business that runs almost on autopilot. The more you create, the more you earn, and the more freedom you gain. We're living in a digital gold rush, and AI is your pickaxe. The tools are here, the market is booming, and the opportunity is wide open for anyone willing to take the first step. So why wait? Start building your digital product empire today, and let AI help you unlock the passive income lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Affiliate marketing is supercharged by AI. Promote products you love and earn commissions. AI helps you scale fast. Use ChatGPT to generate blog posts, video scripts, and email courses packed with your affiliate links. Publish content daily, rank on Google, and drive traffic automatically. AI tools analyze what's working, suggest new topics, and optimize your strategy. Build multiple niche sites, each one a separate income stream. Focus on high-ticket programs for bigger commissions. Let AI handle the content. You focus on picking niches and scaling up. People are launching affiliate sites in a weekend and earning recurring commissions. Diversify across niches for stable, growing income. Become the editor-in-chief of your own affiliate media empire. This is the fastest path to massive recurring online income. Ready to build a real business? Start an AI automation agency. Imagine running a business where you help other companies streamline their operations, save time, and reduce costs. This is not just a dream, it's a reality you can create with an AI automation agency. Help businesses automate tasks with AI, chatbots, workflow automations, and more. From customer service to internal processes, automation can revolutionize the way a business operates. Think about the potential impact you can have by introducing AI-driven solutions that handle repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on more strategic activities. Use tools like ManyChat, ChatFuel, and Zapier to set up systems that save companies time and money. These platforms are user-friendly and powerful, enabling you to create sophisticated automation without needing to write a single line of code. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing a business thrive because of the systems you've put in place. Charge setup fees and monthly retainers. Just a few clients can bring in $10,000 a month. By offering a combination of initial setup and ongoing support, you create a steady stream of income. Each new client adds to your revenue, and as you build a reputation for delivering results, attracting new business becomes easier. No coding needed. Drag, drop, and connect apps with no-code platforms. These tools are designed to be accessible, even for those without a technical background. This means you can focus on understanding your clients' needs and designing solutions that work for them, rather than getting bogged down in complex programming. Every business needs automation. Pitch them on saving hours every week. Highlight the tangible benefits of automation, such as increased efficiency, reduced errors, and the ability to scale operations without a corresponding increase in costs. Show them how automation can be a game changer for their business. Start with one client, get results, and use that case study to land more. Success breeds success. Once you have a proven track record, you can leverage those results to attract more clients. Testimonials and case studies are powerful tools that demonstrate your expertise and the value you bring to the table. Scale up by offering advanced automations and ongoing support. As your business grows, you can offer more sophisticated solutions and additional services. This not only increases your revenue, but also deepens your relationships with clients, making them more likely to stay with you long term. You're not just selling software, you're selling time and efficiency. Your clients will appreciate the value of having more time to focus on what they do best. By taking mundane tasks off their plate, you enable them to be more productive and innovative. High margins, recurring revenue, and huge demand make this the ultimate AI business. The combination of low overhead costs and high demand for automation services creates a lucrative business model. With each new client, your profitability increases, and the recurring revenue ensures a stable financial foundation. Position yourself at the forefront of the AI revolution. By staying ahead of the curve and continuously learning about new AI technologies, you can offer cutting-edge solutions that keep your clients ahead of their competition. This positions you as a leader in the industry and opens up even more opportunities for growth. This is how you build a scalable, high-value agency from scratch. With dedication, the right tools, and a focus on delivering value, you can create a thriving business that not only meets your financial goals, but also makes a significant impact on the businesses you serve. There you have it. 5 proven ways to make $10,000 a month with AI. The tools are here, the demand is exploding, and the opportunity is bigger than ever. Pick one method, commit to learning, and start building. No tech skills or big investment needed. Even an hour a day can create real momentum and income. This is your chance for financial freedom and to ride the biggest tech wave of our generation. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment. Which AI tool will you use to start earning online? Until next time, keep building and let AI work for you.